Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Photoleap on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and look for a search bar or the search icon. Then type in Photoleap right there and hit search. Once you do that, it's gonna suggest you similar apps. Go ahead and tap on the app with purple icon. Now right beside that icon, you're gonna find one of these four options: download, install, get, or backup. Tap on that button, then your phone is going to start downloading the Photoleap app automatically. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Photoleap on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.